What's going on, everyone? Welcome to another episode of Does It Match? The show that introduces you to your perfect battery match. Now, in the last episode, we showed you the 3 best batteries to use with the Redcat 64. And today we'll actually be installing some lighting to the body of this vehicle and showing you how to power them with a Gen Z's battery. The video is for anybody who is wanting to get into the deep scale customization for their 64. So, enough of me talking about it, let's get to it and show you how to actually do this. Now, for these lights, we need to make sure that they are hidden from view as much as possible. So with that in mind, we'll be focusing on laying them along the wheel well of the car. This allows them to be covered up by the body of the car and provides you with a cleaner look when you're done. This process is easier than you may think, but it will take a lot of concentration and even more patience. We're going to start by drilling holes into the top of all 4 wheel wells. Then you're going to want to open the space in between the 2 holes by cutting into the wheel well itself. It's important that the gap is made to be long enough so that the lights can shine all the way through. And you can feel free to use any kind of tool to get the job done. You can see us using several different kinds of tools to try and cut our way through. But once you have an opening large enough for the lights, you want to go in with an X-Acto knife or something similar and clean out any plastic that may be clogging up the hole. Then you're going to want to apply double-sided tape to the actual lighting fixtures and apply them to the top of the fender wells, covering the holes that we just made. This will let the light from the lighting fixtures shine through and create the underbody neon glow that we are looking for. Now, to achieve the headlights and taillight effect that we are looking for, we recommend applying E6000 or Shugu to the lights themselves and applying them directly to the lighting fixtures of the headlights and the taillights respectively. After all of that, you'll want to secure all the loose wiring down so that it never moves around and shows during any of your run times. Now, the lighting will be powered by the receiver, which is in turn powered by our Redline 4000 LiQWYD battery, allowing for efficient power and longer run times. And there you are, a full lighting system for your 64 Redcat. Thank you, everyone, for coming to join us for this hands-on video. We hope we have helped you when it comes to getting your 64 closer to a full-scale vehicle. Join us for the next video where we'll be showing you how to install a speaker system in the trunk of the 64. As always, my name is Zach. Don't forget to give the video a like, smash that subscribe button. It's apparently what the kids are doing these days. And keep your eyes peeled for that next Gen Z's video.